how are you all today? Hope you all are doing very good. So, today we are going to see a wonderful thing, that is how to make a clear glue. If we make a clear glue, we can make a slime with that and it will become clear. So today we will see that. So to make that clear glue, we need some glue gum and some water, only 2 ingredients. So I think many of you asked that how to make a glue gum powder. So it is only first you have to take some of the. So this is the cluster beans. Your mom will make some food now. So in that time you can ask your mom and take it and you can do it. Okay. So first you have to take it, and if you dry that, you have to dry it under this hand. If you will keep it, it will become like this. You can see the difference between this. So now let's powder it. So once you powder it, you have to sieve it. Once you powder it, you have to sieve it, and then you will get like this. So this is how the glue gum powder is made. So after that, you have to store it in an airtight container. Actually, I had bought this from the store. Then only it will be easy for us to make. Okay. So if you want to make in your house, you can make this. Okay. So now, if you want to mix water in this, you should not directly put the water when we had put the powder. Okay. First you have to take one empty bowl and then in that you have to add some water and then you have to add the glue gum. You have to sprinkle that. If you add it at a time, it will form lumps. So talking about water, we need water first. So let me go and take some water from the hand pump. So let me pump some water. I want some more water, but it is so little. I don't want this bucket. I'll take from the big bucket. So now let's add the water. So now let's add the glue gum. And you should not, after mixing, you should wash your hands. After playing the slime also you have to wash the hands. Because not keep it near your eyes, nose or mouth, okay? It is full of chemicals. If you had made in the home, you can do anything. But after that, after playing the slime, usually you have to wash your hands. See, it is completely dissolved. See here a little bit of glue had formed right here. See how clear it is? See, can you see this sticky consistency? So this is our homemade clear glue. Now let's check it with the paper. So here I will take one paper. See how sticky it is? Now let's check with a glitter stone whether it is sticking or not. See a clear glue. It is working perfectly. Let's keep it aside. So now with this clear glue, let us check that with that we can make a slime. So with this clear glue, if you want to add some paint, you can add. I want to add some glitter. So because it is looking so clear. So I don't want clear. I want glitters. I'll add some glitters now. I'm going to mix it. So to this, let's add some activator. Let's mix it. It is coming. Wow. Wow, it is getting hard. See? It is so wobbly. It is so jiggly. So it is looking like a glitter barrel of mine. See how it is so jiggly. Make one slime with homemade glue, you should only try the clear glue. If you don't try the fevicol glue, okay, because it is not working. But if you work with your homemade guar glue, it will come like this. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.